What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you best background remover website, which is not only free, you can also get quality AD downloads. If today is your first time, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on post notification so that anytime that I drop video, you'll be the first person to watch. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Pixlr.com is the website that I'm going to use for this particular video. I'll leave the link in the description. So this is how the website look like. You have sign up and sign in if you have an account. You can also try premium for 30 days. In Canva, there is a background remover option, but you have to be a premium subscriber before you can use it. And there is one website that I like using it, but you can't download images in HD. So you can see HD is not allowed here unless you have premium subscription. This video is not sponsored in any way, so feel free to like and share this video to your loved ones. With this website, you can start using it without even signing up. So let's go ahead and tap on remove BG. So this is how the interface look like. Let's scroll down. You have an option to select multiple images as well and remove it at once. You can also save high quality images up to 16 megapixels. That is okay for any social media images. Let me show you how simple you can use this website to remove any picture background. So you tap on open image to select any image at all. So automatically the image background has successfully removed, and there's a message here: the remove background AL is done. If you are happy with the results, then click download. If not, click on fun. If you think this image is okay for you, then you click on download and it will download for you. So this is the image. I'm going to select another image. So I have this car. Automatically it has successfully removed the background. If you are okay with it, you just go ahead and download it. Let's select another photo. So this is the third image. Let's zoom in and see. So you can see here there's some white background here, and also here as well there's some small background here. So let's click on the phantom. So it's already on remove, so I'm going to select the brush size to 20. I think it's okay, and send the softness to 10 and zoom in. So you can start tracing it with the mouse to nicely remove it. So when you zoom in and out, you can see that everything is clean. So let's go ahead and click on download. I'm going to select another image. This picture, if you zoom in, you can see part of the watch has removed. I'm going to click on the font tone to select keep. Let's zoom out and select black size to 70. So this is the size. Let's select the softness and start shading it. So remember, when we were removing it, the color was red. When you want to keep, the color will change to green. So this is how it look like after keeping it. So let's go to remove and select the size of the blush to okay, 20 is okay. Let's zoom in and let's start tracing it. Now that I have all this removed, I'm going to increase the blush. Click on hints to also check whether you have missed some place. I think it's all done, so I'm going to toggle it back and click on download. So now I have this also download successfully. This is how simple you can remove any background. Thanks. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on post notification so that anytime that I drop video, you'll be the first person to watch. You can also share this video to your loved ones. I have 2 videos on the screen. You can also watch them for me. Peace out.